Welcome everybody. Let's talk about LKCO, and it's exactly respected our support level that we talked about last weekend. So what will happen right now, what we should expect for the price for LKCO. This is really major important level and a good way to start the beginning of the month by this jump that we did today. So without further ado, press the like button and let's get right to the video. And look with me, guys, this is really good because we did now already 5%. We opened the market around the $1.44, precisely at our support level that we talked about in last video. And I told you last time when we closed around the $1.50, yes, at the Friday, I told you we're gonna see a bounce back at the open of the market to test again this level. Then we're gonna see a buying pressure happening whenever we go here. So hopefully you saw the video so you capitalize on this and you never sell panic when you saw this big candle at the open of the market today. Because I told you this is really important. We don't see a closing candle, we see a wick here. This is perfect, and we met with high buying pressure, and this is what the market maker actually do and how they trade. They just wait to buy at the right price, and the right price was for LKCO around the $1.44, exactly at our support. So now the candle is actually going to test again the $1.63 as we got rejected here last weekend or last month. So now we're gonna see a test for the $1.63, and this is a major important level. This time we don't need to see a big wick candle to close above and like this, and we close below. This is major bad sign, but this time we're gonna see a full candle like this one but above this level or above the $1.63, and this is will have the price. I will tell you for sure, guys, LKCO will go to $2 if we have this scenario, if we have just a closing candle above the $1.63 this time, because we don't want to see a test or just a wick, because this will be a not good indication. And if we just go like in a big picture and see some things happening, in the big picture, we still respect this ascending line, and we do higher lows. Let me clear some things here, okay? And look with me, guys. We respect this level, and this time we never test it again, but we have this price going up, and now what we look for, hold up above the $1.70 and then test for the $2, and this is the major technical level. I would be extra careful about around the $2 again 15 cents. If we got at this level, guys, this is a major rejection area. If we want to see even the $4 for LKCO, the most important level, first closing candle above the $1.70, then a test for the $2.15. This is the major rejection area, front LKCO just to go higher. And the other technical level for if we just got rejected around the $1.63, hold up, this will be the strongest support, guys, because we already tested. Any price go below the $1.40, this is a big major sign of weakness, and we're gonna see a test for this line, guys. Let me draw it like this. Any price rejection from this level in coming days, we're gonna see this scenario play through. If we got rejected and we never get past this level, we might get rejected, and with time we're gonna test this level. If we got rejected from this level, we're gonna see a bounce exactly at $1.30, and when the time comes, we're gonna bounce from this ascending line again to try again to pass the $1.60. This is like in 2 weeks or weeks time if we don't have a bounce from the $1.60. So I'll give you a big picture a bit for LKCO, but this is the most important. If we get rejected, we're gonna see a bounce from our ascending line. So this is kind of things, guys. Never be panicking when you see a big candle. If you don't have a strategy, this is what the things will happen to you. Of course, just think about it. If you don't have like a plan to do something, let's say something came up like in work or in college, or you didn't prepare for exam or you didn't prepare for job interview, guess what happened? Like when you've been asked like question you never thought about, you'll froze and you actually, I don't know, you have the wrong answer and you missed the opportunity to get the job or you passed the exam. So everything is preparation. For stock or for trading is as the same as real life. You have to prepare for it. And how you can prepare is to know when you buy, when you sell, at which price you should get out, everything, all the jazz. So if you want to to prepare to have at least a strategy or to know when to buy, when to sell, and those kind of things, you can check my Patreon in the comment section below. We can actually discuss this one-on-one, and if you actually there's another tile if you want to choose from. If you don't want to cash one-on-one, there's even just stock analysis, so you know where you buy, where you sell. At the same time, Discord channel, we can discuss the prices, pre-market, after-market, and during market. So without further ado, press the like button and let's hunt for the exact price value for LKCO. And again, tell you guys, be patient. And you know it, hunt for exact price value. So see you guys in the next video.